The idea of birds of paradise came from our creative process of how we can make wings into something really magical and really wonderful. We are known for our angel wings, and birds naturally have the most amazing wings, and the color is really exquisite.
I wanted the richness of the color and these exquisite angels to exist in that true fantasy of the woman. Every angel had a little bird that we built the outfit around.
That was really fun, amazing research that we did, just going through the colors of birds and the types of birds that there are and how we could really create our models into birds of paradise. Several of the wings in this section really function, so that they open up and the wings are part of their arm. We have two artisans from Paris that work in couture and make exquisite outfits that we put into the birds of paradise.
It feels so luxurious and so whimsical. Incredibly exquisite. There's a fragility, there's a femininity, it's not clunky or heavy, it's light as a feather, excuse the pun.